Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
That information is not available.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
I'm with the missus, we're coming to the DX Commander Fest. We just had a burger and a drink, and we're now going to have a walk around, see what we got here going on. Okay, I've come to buy a couple of poles and some bits and pieces. With a bit of luck. Okay. I'll buy some stuff. Gotta buy some equipment in a minute.
Adapters being DVI.
So I've got some merch going on here. There's the prices. Hey, I'll have a look around the field.
Yeah. Do you want one of them t-shirts?
Let's just have a look around the field. I'm going to buy a couple of poles. I do.
Hi, how you doing?
Alright, what are you up to?
Showing off the software today.
Oh, you got some software on the go.
Some James M0YOM, and Callum has very kindly invited us along to show off the new QSO Director software.
Oh, okay.
That we released a couple of months ago.
Oh, brilliant stuff, brilliant.
Yeah, it's still early days. There's still a lot to do on it, but it's
What's the language you're writing it in? Oh.
It's all written in .NET, so it's fully cross-platform. So Windows, Linux, and Mac, and unofficially Raspberry Pi. We've got a couple of people who are running it.
So you're on the latest framework. So
very much so. Yeah, very much so. It uses a completely unique rig control system
and multiple serial ports connection to different operating systems.
You can have as many radios as you like.
Yeah.
There's no limit.
You'll have to swap over the serial port device for each operating system.
Yeah, serial ports work on each one.
It doesn't use the same device, so you'd have to switch it.
There's automatic cloud synchronization. So if you run multiple machines, like we've got some users with four computers.
Does it need a cloud service, or is it?
Yes, we provide cloud service. It is a commercial package, but it's quite. We've kept
that does the SSL certificate back? Does it?
The whole lot. Yeah.
Okay.
So there's cloud synchronization, and it's multi-way synchronization. So you can have 4 computers, put a QSO in one, it'll synchronize it to the cloud and synchronize it to all the other machines that you've got. So that QSO will appear on all the other. So Callum's actually got it running in his shack at the moment. So the 3 stations he's got in there.
There's so much software coming out now, isn't there?
There is a lot.
It seems to have burst in the last few years. It's gone crazy.
I think it needed it because amateur radio software in general. I've been a professional software designer and developer for the last 30-something years.
Oh, brilliant.
And I used to build software for large businesses, DHL, Hitachi, people like that. And I gave that up. And I do this full time now. So this isn't a hobby thing. This is a full time project. But a lot of amateur radio software is a bit dated, so it's good that there's people like myself. There's a few others around that are coming out with kind of newer software. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm working on one at the minute. It's for an 891, just a software front end for an 891. You can watch it. Me developing it live on a live stream. You know.
Oh. What channel is it?
Half Greek Geek. Half Greek Geek.
Half Greek Geek.
Yeah. Have that. Anyway, that's my main. That's my main project.
Okay.
But that'll take. That's just my main side business.
Half Greek.
Yeah, you'll find it.
Yeah, I'll give you one of mine.
I write it in C#, Windows Presentation Foundation.
Yeah, I use C#. I don't use WPF, but I do use. I
use it because I know it because I've built that software in it, commercial software in it. So I just easy. It's already ready to go. Just copy and paste.
It's great. I've been using .NET since version 1, and it's fantastic. It was a little bit.
Yeah, I just wanted to get into the cat command side to work it out, but it's The ASUS Cat Command is like backwardly compatible with older models. It's made it overly complicated compared to a protocol I had to come up with my own stuff.
Well, we one of the things that makes QSO Director quite different to everything else out there is we don't use any of the standardised cat control systems. So I've completely re-implemented a whole new cat control system which performs substantially better than what's out there at the moment. So you get
and it can do a free trial, free trial. Live demo.
Oh yeah. That one will be as well if we can never get the serial port show.
I got my missus with me. She's not into radio at all, but never mind.
Yeah, it's
and this is the software you're running now. It's very good looking software, isn't it?
Yeah. This is.
And what do you say that? What's it written in? Just C++. C Sharp.
C Sharp. Yeah.
Windows Forms, is it?
No, because we're cross-platform, so it's Windows
is it .NET, is it?
It's cross-platform .NET, yeah. It's all .NET 10.
Latest stuff, .NET 10, yeah. I'd have to give that a try. I've always stuck on Framework 4.8 because that's the one I know inside out.
Yeah, no, this is .NET 10 because we need that fully kind of cross-platform capability.
I know what you mean.
And actually, the user interface technology is rather than WPF, we use something called Avalonia. Which provides
Avalonia. That's a good one. That's like the open source version, isn't it? C Sharp.
Yeah, we actually use the commercial version of Avalonia. But, pay for, but it's
that's brilliant.
It's a great system.
I got into it.
I'd have to give it a try. I'd have to give it a try.
It's a 14-day free trial, and we've kept the cost incredibly low. As low as we possibly can. It will. While it's still in early access, because we've not finished all the features that we really want to get, and there is a massive array of features.
I'm constantly doing little bits because I work full time. I'm doing little tiny bits to mine when I can, but I live stream all the work I've done on it. Every project I've ever done, I live stream.
I developed another bit of software that I used to do kind of in my spare time called ACOM Director. That controls the ACOM amplifiers,
I'm going to be putting this on my live stream. You don't mind, do you?
It's okay. And finding time to that was always a challenge. But I stepped back from.
That's brilliant looking software. That is. I got to admit,
Yeah, I stepped back from my normal job a few years ago now, and it was like, well, what do we do now?
Yeah.
I thought, well, actually, let's focus full time on this. So this is my full-time job now.
That's everyone's ideal thing to do, isn't it?
If we can get enough users.
I keep telling people the best thing you can do is quit your day job, and
it's certainly a lot more interesting and fun than developing boring kind of ERP systems for big businesses, which is what I used to. Do.
I know what you mean. You got some good stuff there, good tack.
Yeah, and if we can get this, it works just as you get the same kind of smooth cat control on an older rig as you would.
That's my channel. You'll probably seen this thumbnail knocking around. This is the new software front end for an 891, which I've been building up. It's like 76 episodes, 3 hours, so there's a lot of work on it.
It is a lot of work, yeah.
Well, I do 3D printing and all sorts as
I've
well.
I've been neglecting my YouTube channel, but I've been just purely focused on trying to get this kind of out.
I do an update at the start, and at the end I do an update. So 3 hours later, I'll give you an overview. Because otherwise you just can't watch 3 hour video.
No.
Times 76. Imagine that.
Yeah. It's. I never realised when I started the YouTube channel how much work.
So if I go onto this card, and it'll take me to a website I can download.
So it's if you sign up, you get 14 days free. There's a QR code will take you straight to the page. You get 14 days free. You then get a choice. You can cancel the trial.
I signed up to Station Master last month. I haven't quite got it set up right. I don't quite understand it. Well, I need to get into it a bit. But similar kind of thing, is it? Or
there are some similarities. We're both cross-platform. We're both some modern applications. But really, you see, I see this as more of a if I had to tell you who I see as my main competitors, I would say it's the likes of Log4OM, maybe Ham Radio Deluxe, and
Yeah.
M1MM. And actually, M1MM is there's a big contesting update coming out for
Yeah.
this later in the year.
Well,
M1MM is really the thing. Whereas
Yeah.
Station Master is a great bit of software. I've seen it. I've used
Yeah,
it. But it's more of kind of a general. It does a bit of everything.
I'm new to the software side of it. I'm a returning
Stu, who's
ham.
the developer's done some really good. Yeah, he's done some good stuff in there. But I think whilst you're always going to have some similarities, in any piece of software, I think the goal for this is very different.
Yeah.
And there is a clear goal as to where we're heading with the software.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Do you mind if I try it out live on stream?
No, of course. Yeah. More than welcome. And we've got a really good community of users.
And you can connect it to your radio. Does it support radio wise?
Just about anything.
Yeah.
In fact, I'll show you on here.
It sounds like me when someone's asking me questions.
Oh, this Mac keeps going to sleep. I'll show you on this one.
Never send the techie out to do a demo because he'll just get carried away.
Yeah, so in terms of radios, you've got pretty much. There's one or two we still need to add in, but all of the Elecrafts are supported.
Does it do an 891?
Yaesu.
Just a standard. Oh, you can do an 891.
891, yeah.
Brilliant.
It's got.
I'm going to try this out. Yeah.
Just about everything. And from the next version, the next big release that we're putting out, and this is an early version of that. We also have support for a whole load of amplifiers, so all the 4 Oscar 3 Alpha,
Brilliant.
Power Genius stuff.
I love the radio.
The radio's fantastic.
God, yeah, fantastic graphics on there.
And we also support a whole every rotator.
Oh, brilliant!
So there's full rotation control, and there's also now support for computer controllable antenna switches.
I've done a bit on a rotator, an open source, using an ESP32 off your phone.
Yeah.
3D modelled all the bearings, and everything, and 3D print it.
Oh, really?
And I've still got more work to do on it, but just thought I'd mention it. But but you do it off your phone, off its own web interface.
Okay.
Just connect to it anywhere. But it needs to be integrated into some kind of software. Anyway,
I've done a little bit of ESP32. In fact, I built Callum some interface boxes for his
brilliant.
And that's all based on the ESP32.
Well,
I've had 30 years of doing demos for people, and it doesn't matter.
If you ever want to test some software, just do a live demo.
Yes.
I can't show you today, but anyway. So basically, people say it's fast because it doesn't rely on a cloud service. It's immediate, and you can set the port forward in. You can connect it anywhere.
The way that I've built this is obviously the cloud system is there, but it's kind of in the background.
Yeah.
So if you can run this offline, you can run it out in the field somewhere, and then the next time you're plugged in, it'll kind of synchronise everything up. So
right, we better stop hogging you and go and have a look around.
I'll check out the YouTube channel.
So what's your name?
James.
Thank you, James.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
M0YOM is the call sign.
G7UIV, half Greek geek.
A pleasure.
David. All right then. I'll check this out later. Thank you very much.
Please, thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks.
This looks very familiar. Looks very familiar, as in. So we need to see the size of these aerials now to make sure we're not going to get one that the neighbours are going to go crazy with.
All of a sudden, like on 20 metres, it'll flash on the yellow and go back to green.
I'll see that.
That's the old shed.
I thought it was so unimaginable. I've had to get out with the watering can, but it's too big an area to water.
On the face of the range, do I need a ground plate?
Yeah. So I've
same
got.
standard, yeah?
I used 7 reels of DX10.
Is it in between the square
So each one, each aerial is its own antenna.
Right.
And this is what I did. So I used
12.
24 7-metre long. 24 was easy because
There
it was
you are.
like north, south, east, west, and then I went. It was kind of easy to do.
big one. Right. That's a DX Commander. Which one's that? It's just the normal one, I think. That's a big old field. Just wandering around in the wind. We've got some wires, long wires up there, look at that. Some long wires. It's a hell of a thing, isn't it?
To get the exact. I think I went this. Oh, someone's rotating it. To get the phasing lines. The phasing lines were about, well, just a bit longer than from there to there, actually.
It's got a rotator on it.
So if you think about it, each of these got 24 7-metre so when they feed,
So that's a fan dipole.
so the ones that went this way, I kept going and I've joined them all together in the middle.
Wow, oh, another aeroplane. Busy around here, helicopters, aeroplanes, everything. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Soon. Hello.
What's going on in here then?
There's lots of amateur satellites still.
Oh,
Mars,
brilliant.
they're sending a satellite for Mars. There's a communications relay, so it's more of a continuous. Exactly what I'm working on.
So is using Arduino in the SAT, AMSAT.
I remember as well. I've seen some videos of it. And he's just going.
What you got there? Is that?
That's the size of it.
This is a replica, is it?
No, it's actually it is actually operational. It's not flight. It's not flight work.
Solar panels and
Everything.
3D printed or moulded?
3D printed for the case. Yes.
Ah,
And
okay,
it's got
brilliant.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 boards inside it.
What's the main controller? Or is it?
Raspberry Pi 2040.
Oh, yeah. So the
pair of 2040.
Raspberry Pi Pico 2040, yeah.
So
They're brilliant.
One's doing the comms and the other one's doing all the telemetry from the inertial measurement unit and temperature
Are you
sensors.
using one with a module for the? How's it connecting? Through a radio board?
It's actually doing bit banging
Yeah.
for 433 megahertz. There's no radio module.
No.
The Pico is actually generating 433 megahertz
Oh,
transmission.
right.
So it's a bit of a ropey signal. But it's
So sort of like generating a VGA signal or something.
Yeah.
Got yeah. Brilliant.
Can I hold it?
Oh, go on then.
Don't drop it.
No, I won't drop it. So, how many boards are in there then?
5 boards.
And you've modelled it and made it all fit somehow.
Yeah, it just about fits.
That's brilliant. A nice little solar panel you got on there.
It's the typical weight of a CubeSat as well.
Brilliant.
That's my baby.
Great. That is. Yeah, I do a bit of programming with ESP32 and
I know it well.
Arduinos. I've got a lot of Raspberry Pi, but I've never needed to use them yet because.
Oh, the ESP32 US3 is just.
Yeah, I've never needed to use them. The only thing is I've got to make my equipment compatible with SSL certificates. which is not as easy as it is with a Raspberry Pi. Trying to get it to work.
Oh God, no.
With an ESP32, the stack that you need. But that's my next project.
Run out of room, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm going to try. Yeah, I'm going to.
Even on an S3, you're struggling.
Yeah.
We're doing.
I'll just use an old Node MCU, ESP32S.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because I've just bought a load of them and I use them on my main thing.
I'm doing a lot of. We're talking about.
Can I have a card, please?
Okay.
Oh, that's not one.
You end up giving somebody else's card.
Yeah, that's my main project I work on. But I'm currently designing some software front end for a Yaesu FT891 at the minute.
Okay.
So do you get involved directly with programming and stuff, or?
This is who I work for. If you look at this.
Goon Hilly.
Goon Hilly Earth Station.
What do they do?
Deep Space Network Communications.
Oh, brilliant.
I can even show you a photo.
Fantastic, yeah, that's great. I'm going to keep that. I normally go to places and you speak to people and they haven't got a clue what I'm talking about most of the time. Oh, I've got a picture of something like that.
35 metres.
Down in, where was I working? Somewhere in the middle of the Midlands. Massive.
Oh, that's the new Downlinco station.
Down a police station. There was a police station. We were working at a police station. And you drive right past it.
The BT side.
Madley.
Yes.
Yeah.
We know Madley well.
Yeah.
I used to work for Marconi. Madley used to be a Marconi site.
I actually took a picture of it and I used it in my software.
No, I used to work for Marconi Research.
Yeah.
So Madley would illuminate things, and our radar dishes.
Amazing.
Marconi would actually do the receivers.
Now here's an illegal photo, technically.
What did you say?
We worked for the West Mercia Police for 2 years. They only ever give the contract out for 2 years.
I assume you know where that is. That's what I say. It's probably an illegal photo.
I haven't got a picture. I've deleted them all. I've kept them on my computer. So so you presumably have a website which you can link to it and send it programs and things, can you, for test? You can upload over the air somehow.
We can't do OTA on that. I do have a similar project you can do OTA to.
So can you send it a new program when it's up?
Not the ones we have at the moment.
No.
We're designing FunCube Plus, which is its successor, which is
Is this a closed source project?
That's open source.
So you can go to a website, look at all the info. That'd be interesting.
Email me and I'll send
it's on there, is it?
Yeah, just my email address should be on there.
Okay. Okay, that'll be interesting to look at. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. That.
So yes. So just talking about comms. I've also got a little. I should have brought it, but I can't bring everything with me. You know what this Perseverance rover looks like? Mm-hmm. A little 6-wheel rover. There's a company in the United States called Circuit Mess. They do open source kits.
Right.
We've done an open source version kit of Persistence.
Oh wow!
And it's about that big. It runs ESP32S3.
Yeah.
And it's over Wi-Fi, of course. So it's got its own controller on board, and you've got a handset. You can drive it around, move its camera, etc. So
yeah.
Next step from this, can we do our bundle protocol? Talk into this rover. There's just enough headroom on the processor to actually do the protocol.
Yeah. I was last project. I put it on hold while I'm working on my software front end for the 891. Well, it was an antenna rotator based on an ESP32 connected to a stepper motor, an NEMA 17 stepper motor, and it uses a sensor magnet on the end of a shaft, and you can work out the angle.
Well, you like something like that one behind you, but not a commercial version. Yes.
Yeah, but I designed all the bearings and 3D printed them and everything. And put a little demo area on it.
Look up, if you email me, there's an organisation called LibraSpace in...
Oh, I've heard of them.
Yeah, LibraSpace actually, they do SatNogs, which is the community downlink. But they also designed their own 3D printing rotator.
Yeah, I'm going to leave you to it anyway.
Catch you later.
Yes.
That's nice. What's your name, please?
I'm Dave.
Dave, I'm Dave. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again. I'll have a look at that. So this is this rotator. So we spoke to Satellite Dave. That's a beast, isn't it? Looks like, what was it, 270? Oh, that was interesting. I think you can go inside the shop and have a look. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it wasn't coming up when I pressed that button. It had gone to sleep. How much was that? £5?
I see you got elevated to great things.
£5.94.
Sorry? I see you elevated to great things.
Excuse me, are you allowed to go in and walk around?
Have you been in Callum's shack?
No.
Do you want to go in there?
Oh yeah, I could have a look if you don't mind.
Who are you?
Dave.
Dave.
G7UIV.
Oh, I'm Wendy.
Hi Wendy.
So this is Lockie's department.
Oh yeah, I've seen this.
Lockie and Gina.
Oh, he's got his Rubik Cube, I see, that behind the monitor.
Yeah.
I spotted that.
Yeah. It's normally a lot messier than this.
I used to do mine in 35 seconds. Back in the day when I was at school.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. Cleaner than yours.
So, there's more to it, yeah?
Oh yeah, through here.
Oh,
So this is
okay.
where we started off.
Oh, we started and then ended up getting the next door shack, yeah?
because this is where it was.
Oh, okay,
This
brilliant.
is Lockie's bit in here.
This is his little workshop.
And this is...
Oh, there's his shack. Hello.
I'm just helping the GB one, guys.
Yeah, go in there. Have
Is
a
it
look.
okay?
Yeah, carry on.
Oh, alright then.
Everybody just goes in.
Okay. Hello, load of bananas. Oh, that's amazing. I hope it's recording still.
No problem.
It's a proper shack, isn't it?
Hello.
We'd all love one like this, wouldn't we?
Nice to have you today. You're 5 and 7.
Hey, there's the old car.
It's a frequency in use.
Yeah.
It's a frequency in use. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
Oh, isn't it? Wow. That's pretty good.
Got a sword there if anyone gets out of line.
CQ, hello CQ. Golf Bravo 1 November Hotel Schiller.
Excellent. Yeah, I'm really pleased. I think it was you I may have heard calling. So I thought I'd just turn the
Can you tell Tim
around to
that we're on 7121 for the live chat?
7121. A minute, Randy. Sorry, say again?
7121. CQ. And this is GB1 NHS. Golf Bravo 1 November Hotel Sierra. GB1 NHS. CQ. Golf Bravo 1 NHS.
Oh, that's interesting.
CQ, hello CQ. GB1
Okay,
NHS.
Randy, thanks very much. We've also got a station on 7.121 on 40 metres as well for some of the Europeans that are probably...
What's that up there? Satellite.
It's Callum here. I'm just setting the station
So,
up.
Randy, all the very best to you. Thanks for calling in. November 8 X-Ray Golf Sierra from Mike 0 X-Ray Tango. Operator is 10 Tango India Mike. 73, Randy.
Because I'm not licensed.
Lighthouse 0188. Fantastic. Yeah, well, you have to enjoy your lighthouses, mate. What's your name?
No, you haven't persuaded me. But I'll get my daughter.
Thank you, Randy. 73. Have a good day now. Bye bye. QRZ from Mike 0 X-Ray Tango. Looking for North America.
Great, ready?
Mike 0
Fantastic.
X-Ray
All right, see Simon, all the best now.
Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray, Tango.
No, I won't,
Mike
but
0,
thanks a lot.
X-ray,
Mike, sorry,
X-ray,
GB1
Tango.
NHS, Golf Bravo 1 November Hotel Sierra.
CQ20. Mike 0, X-ray, X-ray,
Golf
Tango.
Bravo 4 Lima. Hello, I wonder what your name is and what lighthouse you might have. It's Callum here at Tolly Farm, right in the centre of England.
Florida, Japan again. So Kilo Charlie 5, Yankee, Florida, Japan. Thank you very much, Brad.
Let's go have a go buy some
Lee,
stuff.
have a good day now. That's great. Stand by, we're just going to change operators. You don't have to hit the QA, you just hit enter and he goes in.
Okay.
Right, but they're waiting for you now.
Thanks, mate. I think you'd find one. Cheers, Callum.
Alright. I'm Callum, by the way. Stephen. Nice to meet you. LV
CQ, GB1, NHS.
Now, I came in for something. Rick Van Winkle.
I do.
Yeah, just a quick fix.
I can't remember what it was. Oh, I remember now. But it's too early.
X-ray. Looking at the moment. Good evening, 5-9 here into the Midlands in the UK. Name is Craig Trade, Charlie Romeo Alpha India Golf. With the GB1 NHS call sign, we're just launching the new on the air tip there. Back to you, over.
X-ray, Tango. Looking for North America or any other call.
Right.
Right, let's go and have a look. Let's go and get some stuff off Loki. It's quieting down a bit now. Let's see if they got anything left. Picture of Arnold. Me, picture of me.
Hello. It looks like he's
Hello. Are you? Hello. No?
That's me.
Oh, how you doing? You okay? What I need is a couple of poles. Signature 9. You don't need to put guide wires with that, do I? Have you got one of them? Signature 9.
Yeah. Do you want the ground post that comes with it?
What is that? The fiberglass thing, is it? Yeah. And have you got an expedition pole as well?
Yeah, you can do that as well.
Can I see this little monkey bag trip because it looks so cute? Oh my god! I love it. What's it from?
Okay. And you got different versions. Is this the latest version? Yeah.
Yeah, we used to have a plastic cap. And now
Are they 10 metres?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll have one of them. And have you got your signature 9 put?
Yeah.
I was in two minds whether to get a signature 12 point something.
Yeah. I mean, 9's great. 9's are our favourites.
Well, I was just worried. I've only got a small garden.
9 was best then, because the 12 you'll need that dying space.
Got you. Can I?
I've just bought a 9 and it fits in nicely. Not a particularly large plot.
Okay. So I'll have one of them as well. And I just spoke to Callum. He says you can sort me out with a shot cord, and I need some DX10 wire as well.
Okay.
I'm not sure how much I need of it. So I need it for enough for two poles basically.
Okay.
Probably a week later, a new one came.
Trust me to cause a problem.
It's not you, it's him. No, he won't help.
Can he not help?
No, it's because he had a sound first.
Yeah, just the two poles, and
Not too much.
if I can get the DX10 100 metre roller wire,
1986.
and I don't know how many shot cord I need. Do I need two of these, you think?
Got an AB licence, so I got the 5 words per minute code in 2000.
Signature 9 pole, expedition pole, 100 metre DX10, and then 2 shot cords.
An old G
and then T-shirts as well.
Yeah, that'll be enough probably for two lots for both of them.
Yeah.
Gina's doing it.
Shall I go to the end?
Yeah, I'll just go and get
And
Thank you.
I don't really need all these little fittings. But,
Tell you what, I'll just throw in some heat shrink for free.
okay. All right, thank you. I'm just doing a bit of experimental. So.
Yeah, no problem. So, expedition pole. 9 pole.
Yeah, your t-shirt.
Okay. Tar.
T-shirt. And then some heat shrink for later. That'll be £190.
And got some of them, have you? Did you get two of those?
There you go.
Yeah.
And I'll grab some heat shrink for you in a moment.
Okay, and that's the DX10. Will that do 2 aerials, 1 roll?
Dad, is 1 reel of DX10 enough for 2 antennas?
DX10? Yeah. Well, what sort of antenna you put up? Long wire, verticals?
These 2. DX, Signature 9 and a Expedition.
Do you want vertical on this, or...?
Just standard, nothing coming off on an L,
You
up and
want
down.
multiple elements coming up?
Probably just, about 3 on that, just to take
So we
portable.
really need... Okay, wind back before you buy anything.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so a standard kit would come with... Can you get the Expedition plate set? So, because a pole, if you want to convert it into what I've got, with elements, you need all this stuff.
It's more of an experimental thing at this point.
If you just want experimental and you just want to toy around with it,
just these 2 and that.
Then,
that's it,
do that.
Yeah.
It depends what you want, really, right? If you just want the playtime, you can have plenty of playtime with what you've got
I was
there.
just wondering if that was enough to do 3 on there and maybe 6 on this one.
How are you going to connect the coax here? Have you got that one out? You'll just
I'm
wire it up.
gonna wing it.
Wing it, okay, brilliant. You're my sort of man. Wing it.
Yeah.
Personally, when you're here with the discount we've got today, I'd buy 2.
You'd buy 2, yeah.
Honestly, take a look.
Okay. All right.
Because-
okay, let's have 2 then.
Yeah, okay.
2.
DX10.
Yeah.
And if we get any spare shop called offcuts?
Inside, yes.
They'll be inside. Do you want me to show you?
Just grab a couple for them.
And some heat shrink, please.
We're going to grab you a couple of extra
Okay.
end of reel
Brilliant.
shop cords.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And did you say you got some heat shrink?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, she's gone to get it.
I was thinking of possibly chocolate can anyway. They did that.
That'll be 235 pounds, please.
Hold on.
I forgot to say, you have really pretty eyes.
Sorry?
You just have like really pretty eyes.
I do.
It's
With
the first thing I noticed.
with the glasses on.
Is half Greek.
What?
Is half Greek.
Really?
Ah, that's what it is.
The other half, I don't put it to. Yeah, so we've got what we want now. All the kit. Just press that button, shows at the top, that red one. Press it.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
That information is not available.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.